If you've been putting in so much effort on your channel and not seeing results, you're making videos consistently, doing all the right things, but you're not seeing views, no recommendations, no watch hours gathering for you, even subscribers is now difficult to get. Don't worry. In this video, I'll be explaining to you that you are not the problem. Your content is not bad. Your videos are not bad. In fact, you're putting in a lot of effort, but YouTube is showing your videos to the wrong persons. How do I know? I have gone on to check my analytics and I have seen that the reason why some videos perform better than the others is just simply because of the way YouTube gets to show my videos to people, or the kind of people YouTube is showing my videos to. Now, we're breaking it down for you in simple terms that you can understand, right? I'll just go on to show you my analytics using two different videos and ensuring that you understand exactly what I'm trying to explain. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand that you are not the one with the problem here, but YouTube has been showing your videos to the wrong audience. And the moment this happens, or if this continues to happen, it simply means that you will continue to struggle with getting views, subscribers, and watch time hours. Now, let's just get right into the video. All right, so we're going to head on to YouTube Studio, the desktop site, using your phone or your laptop, right? So when you log into the account that you want to use, so I'll show you with my DIY channel, right? So I'm going to head on to my content where I have my videos. I'll click here on the content, and then I'm going to let me use this particular one to show us. This one that says 5 mistakes that waste money in fashion accessory business. So I'm going to click on that one, right? When you open up like this, I want to click on the inside. I'll click on the inside here, and then this is the details of the video. As you can see, I only have 16 views on this video, and I have 0.5 watch hours. I have one subscriber, and I've only made 2 cents from this video. Now let's go ahead and check the reach of the video, right? This is where the main issue is. The very first problem in this particular video is the fact that I only have 391 views. Um, 391 impression. This simply means that my video was tested to a very small audience and it just stops. Like it stops being tested. I've had other videos where I have 2.5 impressions, 10 points, 12 points, right? Those ones give me views. I was forced to another content. So the moment that you say you have low impressions on your videos, when people don't see the video, if the video is not shown to people, how will they watch the video? When it is not suggested to people, how will they watch the video? When they don't see their browse feature, how will they watch the video? All right, so we're going to scroll down here to the what's it called? Content suggesting this video. This is where the main issue is, right? So click here. You see, we the very first content here is showing me we kicked a gas station. Come on, what has this got to do with my channel? What has this got to do trying to explain to my audience that there are things in fashion accessory business that makes you waste money? What has this got to do with my crafts? Help me, help me, help me, help me. When you are slim like me, trying, then the other one is my own content. Stop throwing away fabric scraps. And let's click on see more. You're going to be able to see that there are a lot of content that are suggesting these videos and they are suggesting to the wrong persons. For instance, okay, let's see this one that has we clicked a gas station. I only got one view from there. I only got one view from a particular video. When you're slim like me, trying, I can't see the remaining thing. I only got one view from it. My own video, stop throwing away scrap fabrics, gave me one view as well. Now, the remaining ones are 12 small home businesses, shop smart, how to make a fast easy. All these, they are very irrelevant. So it simply means that if this video is being shown to people who watch this kind of content and then they see my own video, they will not have interest to watch it. That is what it simply means. They do not have interest in what is being suggested to them. So they will definitely just swipe off. But if maybe when they see this video, let me assume that what they see is stop throwing away fabric, then they see DIY and tire crafts, then they see DIY this, then they see how to make money with your fabric scraps. All those things can, when people who like this kind of content are the ones that see the video or the impression is being shown to, right? It's definitely going to mean that they will click on the video to watch, right? There are better chances that they will click on the video to watch. Now, let me show you another one using a second account. Let this open up. And like we did for the other account, I'm just going to go on to where I have my content, right? I'll go on to where I have my content. When it opens up, I'm going to scroll down to a particular video I want to use to show you the what I'm trying to explain. All right, so right here I have how to set up Facebook payout. I'll click on this one, and then I'm going to click on my insights. When the insight opens up, as you can see from the insight, I have 2.0K views from this video. I have gotten 107.6 watch time from this video. I have 40 subscribers from just this one video. Now let's go to the reach of this video, right? When we click on the reach of this video, as you can see, the impression shows me that I have 13.8. I'm counting because I know that this video is still getting to more persons. I have 13.8 from this. I have 10.4 impression click rate. Definitely, if out of 13 people, is it really that out of the people who saw this particular pop up on their phone, they two as in 2,000 persons got to watch the video. That's what it means. 2,000 persons got to watch the video. They left reviews, they left comments, they left thumbs up and all of that, right? So I have 10.4 I have 10.4 impression click rate on this video, 2 point something K views, and then I also have my unique viewers at 1.4K. This video is currently doing so well, and I like it. I'm hoping it won't stop, right? So if you come down here to content suggesting this video, when we click on it, right, when we click on the content suggesting this video, click on see more, you're going to be able to see why this is giving me so much uh, results as it's giving. All right, so here we have the very first one is how to set up Facebook payments. If I click on it, I'll be able to see who has this video, how to stop Facebook payments, Facebook content monetization, how to set up payment payout method for Facebook monetization. As you can see, videos that talks about Facebook are the ones suggesting these videos, this particular video. So definitely I will have views on it because the videos that are suggesting it are videos that people who want to know about Facebook have watched. So definitely when my own comes up, there's always a chance that they're going to watch. Now let's see from the impressions, right? Particular video, how to set up Facebook payment. I'm doing 505 impressions. The other one gave me 916 impressions. Then for the what's it called? The what's it called? The click through rate. This one, just look at it anyway. But if you go down to the views, you can see that the very first video gave me 79 views. Second one gave me 23 views. The other one gave me 43. The other one gave me 27, 22, 11. The lowest, right? The at least one, if they, when the people who watch those kind of content see this, my own video, at least one person out of it get to watch the video. This is the reason why this video is doing well. This is what you need to know. The moment you're able to solve this problem for your channel, then your video is going to begin to have better results, better returns, right? You want your videos to start reaching the right persons. The moment you begin to see people like maybe you post a content about how to grow on YouTube and you see suggested video or people that get to the content that suggests the video. For instance, that's like Emanuela is married. Emanuela is married. How is that your problem? How is that even connected to your own video? You are talking about YouTube growth. How is Emanuela's marriage getting being so just I hope you get my point. But this is where the problem begins with. When you're able to fix this, you will be able to get better views. Now let's go on and see the solution that I have preferred. With what I have just explained to you, I'm hoping you understand why this is happening. Now, I'm going to go ahead and share three simple strategies or solutions that you can be applying going forward. The very first one is your title, right? So, how do you get to come up with a good title? If you continue putting vague titles and generic titles, YouTube may continue to show your videos to the wrong set of persons. This is how to come up with a good title. Your title should first of all have clarity. It should also have curiosity and it should also have results, right? I will share two formulas that you can apply. The very first one is how to plus the specific result plus who it is for. I'm going to give you an example. The very first one, you can say how to create 3D Canva designs for beginners. So see here, I've said how to, right? I've said what it is, what it's supposed to create. How to create 3D Canva designs. This is the specific result for beginners, right? The beginners here is the people who I am creating for. So it is how to, the specific result, and who the video is for. That's the very first formula. The second formula is what and who. what and who. If you make YouTube understand that this particular video is for this kind of audience through your title, it becomes easy for them to know who to recommend your videos to. So you can say 30 days meal plan for new moms, right? This is who it is for. And the meal plan here is what you're talking about. So 30-day meal plan for new moms. This way you are instructing YouTube to understand who you're creating the content for. I don't know if that makes sense. This is one formula, or these are the two formulas you can use with your title. This is one of the solutions. The second solution is in your transcript and your description. If you click down on this video and scroll down, you see where you have transcript. Now, when you check the transcript, you'll be able to see everything I'm saying. It is more like YouTube has written it out. This is one way people can get to, follow a content or follow what the person is saying by reading what is written there, right? So the moment you are creating the content, ensure that in your transcript or in your videos, you say what you are doing again and again. If you have noticed, I have mentioned YouTube a couple of times. I have mentioned recommended a couple of times. I have mentioned content a couple of times. This is intentional because I want it to be in the transcript, right? So when YouTube is giving you the transcript, or when they with that transcript, they'll be able to understand who the video is for, right? Because they have interpreted my video. They will be able to understand who the video is for. Now, I've also forgot to mention that you should also ensure to put in SEO keywords in the description, right? It is important that you put in strong SEO keywords in your description and also include tags before you go ahead and make that video public. Now, the last solution I'm going to be giving is with your thumbnail, right? You remember I already explained impression. How do you get impression? Impression is simply a combination of clicks that come from your title and your thumbnail. When someone sees your title and then they see your thumbnail and they understand it at first glance and see that, okay, this is what I need, they go ahead to click on that video to watch it. Now, when you are able to do all of this and your hook is able to get them in, the value is there. Trust me, your watch hours are going to begin to increase, and also the views on the videos are also going to begin to increase. All right, with this viewpoint of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and help you get clarity, and not to convince you that you are not the reason why YouTube is not showing your videos out. It's just simply because you have not given them enough command to help them to understand who the videos you're creating are supposed to be shown to, right? Go ahead, make these changes on your videos today and begin to see results. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping to see you in my next video. And if you are still confused and you need clarity, I am just one reach away. Go ahead and send me a message on WhatsApp and I'm going to be responding to you. For now, subscribe to my channel and bye.